Hello and welcome to my little watch box. Today we are looking at a very special Zenith watch, model DEFY Classic automatic skeleton in titanium, reference number 95.9000.670/78. A very modern skeleton watch inspired by futuristic urban architecture. The DEFY Classic features an open dial with a central star motif, revealing the elite automatic movement within. The watch comes with the original titanium bracelet on, as well as the rubber alligator straps in blue and black with the titanium folding clasp, like you can see here. It's alligator and rubber on the back, and of course comes with the end links. The watch is on sale on Chrono24 and eBay if you're interested. It is complete set with box, trial box, manual and warranty card. The warranty is valid through the September 2027, so plenty of time under warranty for this watch. The watch is in a very good shape with no scratches or deep dent. And as usual, I recommend looking carefully at all the pictures and the video. The watch has a big central second hand. Let me see in the details. Yeah. As you see, the watch has a big central second hand, which I personally prefer to the small ones. It is gratifying to see it rotate, the hand rotate smoothly. Right now the watch is unwound, and that is why it is not running. Let me take it a little bit up and closer. Yeah, you see. The second hand at 7 o'clock right now is not moving. So to see that the rotor works correctly, let's shake it a little bit, and you see it immediately starts running. Okay, let's take a look. Let's open the bracelet and let's take a look at the rotor here. See, beautiful star-shaped rotor. And this is the watch close up. So very efficient rotor, just a little shake and it works perfectly. Furthermore, there is a push and pull crown here. If we pull it out, we have a stop hack mechanism that stops the second again. And then, of course, we can set the time. And we have the date at 6 o'clock. And by positioning the crown in the middle position, we can change position in the middle, as you see. Then you can change the date, and you can do it both forward and backwards. Okay, and in the closed position, the watch can be wound. The quality of this watch is very much defined by its brushed titanium grade 5 body case. See, it's a beautiful quality. And the skeleton sunburst dial with the luminescent silver tone rhodium-plated hands and index hour markers. The heart of the watch is the Zenith caliber Elite 670 automatic movement containing 27 joules, beating a 28,800 beats per second. And there's a power reserve. Here you see the movement, very beautiful. It's a power reserve of approximately 50 hours. As expected, there is a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal on the front, and on the transparent case on the back that shows, as I said, the really, really beautiful 670 Elite movement. The size of the case is 41 millimeter, so it fits well on any wrist size. And the thickness is a very thin watch, it's just 10.75 millimeter. A very thin watch that fits well with any type of clothing. And finally, the watch is water resistant up to 100 meters, which is about 330 feet. So this is how the watch looks. It's as I said, it's a really pleasure to see this watch. It's really refined, very, very elegant, but at the same time sporty. As said before, it's being a skeleton. The whole point of being a skeleton is to be able to see the movement inside. You can probably see the blue escape wheel running here. There. And I must say that normally skeletons watches are known to not be very readable, but this one, I think it's really readable, actually, thanks to the well-sized index and the luma, which I will show you in 2 seconds. So before looking at the luma of the watch, I just wanted to show you, so we can see again, the beautiful crocodile strap with folding clasp, really nice, nicely made. Okay. And the last things I wanted to show, I just needed to move everything here. It is that under here there is actually a travel case, Zenith, which can be used to, if you wanted to take the watch out traveling with you, together, of course, with this. Okay, so really luxurious piece. And finally, as I was saying before, let's look at the luma. Okay, very nice watch. Thank you for watching. Bye.